There are two important components to working on an egg farm. Firstly, looking after the hens so they're healthy and able to produce high quality eggs, and making sure that those eggs are safe for humans to eat. Your job on this farm is critical in preventing bacteria and disease entering and spreading through the farm that can endanger the hens or contaminate the eggs. Diseases can easily enter the farm. They can be brought in by people, on their clothes, hair, boots and hands. Or they can be brought in on cars, trucks and other vehicles, or on equipment that might come onto the farm. Diseases can even be brought in with new chicks or pullets, or with other wild animals like birds, rodents like mice or rats, or through the feed and water we provide to the hens. Even the movement of manure, dead hens or waste off the farm can spread diseases. Strict biosecurity requirements are needed to contain each of these risks. Every day, every biosecurity requirement needs to be followed by all staff members. The first line of defence is controlling who and what enters the farm. Only necessary vehicles, equipment and people should have access to the farm. The second is restricting movement around the farm. Only necessary vehicles, equipment and people should have access to the sheds and to the ranges. The last line of defence is keeping people, equipment, vehicles, feed and water clean and decontaminated. Vehicles, equipment and people need to be cleaned or decontaminated according to the farm's biosecurity requirements. Every farm should have biosecurity procedures in place which address these three levels of biosecurity. These procedures protect the health and welfare of the hens, the business and you. Do you know the biosecurity procedures on this farm? If not, find someone who does and ask them.